In this video, I will show you how to connect Epic Games to Ubisoft in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on the Epic Games launcher. You can see I'm currently logged into my account up in the top right hand corner. Now to actually link your accounts, what you're going to have to do first is open up any game that is made by Ubisoft. So basically if you come up to the search box at the top and type Ubisoft into here, and then hit enter, it's basically going to bring up all the games that have Ubisoft as the publisher. So what's going to happen once you've done that is you're going to get a pop-up window which will enable you to link your accounts once you load up any game. And what you can do from here is either create a brand new Ubisoft account if you don't yet have one, or you can link the accounts and log in if you already have an account. And that is all there is to it. So if you do have any problems doing this, then I've actually found a guide online, which is on the official Ubisoft website, and this is the article. So if you come across to ubisoft.com, and in the article you just want to type linking your Epic Games and Ubisoft accounts into the search box, and you can see the steps are listed here. So as I mentioned, all you have to do is launch any Ubisoft game from the Epic Games launcher. You'll get a pop-up where you'll be able to select to link your account. What that's going to do is open a window in your default browser, log into your Ubisoft account. If you don't have an account, then select create a Ubisoft account and your account will be linked. And just note, if you do want to unlink your account at any point, then you'll need to come across here and there's a link where you'll need to contact them to unlink your accounts. If you do have any difficulties when you're linking your accounts, there's also a troubleshooting guide here. So you can again click on the link, and that's going to take you to the troubleshooting guide where you can basically try out some of these methods to see if that fixes the problem. Of course, if it doesn't, just go ahead and click contact us and they'll be able to help you out further. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.